Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close look and taste the María Tepoztlán milk chocolate bar. So let's first take a look around the outside of the packet. So in this packet is a 200 gram or 7 ounce weight of María Tepoztlán milk chocolate bar. And just taking a look at the details of the card packaging. And on the back or underside of the packet there is some product information about the chocolate origins, as well as an ingredients list and nutrition information and other details. Now let's go ahead and open it up by popping out the box flap at the top and lifting the flap open and taking a look directly inside of the packet. Let's tip the foil covered chocolate bar out from its packet and we can close it back up, and just setting the packet on the left hand side of the tabletop and giving you a look at the chocolate bar which we've just removed from the packet. So you can see that it is sealed in foil. Let's go ahead and open it up, but before we do that, just giving you a sense of its size. So 7 ounce weight or 200 grams this milk chocolate bar is. Now let's go ahead and open it up by tearing open the foil wrapper to reveal the somewhat broken up chocolate bar. And straight away I can smell the scent of the chocolate bar emanating from the packet. So giving you a look as it is sitting in its foil wrapper, and let's see if we can flip it over just to see the details on the other side of the bar. So you can see very broken up, but nonetheless let's do our best to hold it together and show you the details of this María Tepoztlán milk chocolate bar. There we go. You can see the overall creamy color of the chocolate bar, and of course the matte finish of the bar, and of course the reverse side of the bar as well, giving you a look at the largest piece right here, the back side, and of course the cross section as well, and very up close you can see the María Tepoztlán branding or logo molded into the center part of the chocolate bar. So of course, once again giving you a look at the center or cross section of the chocolate bar. And now let's go ahead and take a look at the smaller pieces very quickly. And let's break a little piece off and taste it. So let's try and break this. So there we go. I managed to break a small piece off that broken off corner, and let's go ahead and taste it. So it does have a subtle and sweet flavor to it, and it requires quite a bit of munching or chewing just to get the flavors to come out, and of course to get the chocolate to kind of melt and flow in one's mouth. But let's try another piece, a much larger piece if we can. Let's try and break that into a smaller piece. So there, slightly larger piece than before, but somewhat still manageable. Let's go ahead and taste this piece. So once again, that subtle sweet flavor that requires a bit of chewing to get the flavors to come out and get the kind of texture of the chocolate experience. So that's the María Tepoztlán milk chocolate bar. Thanks for watching and happy eating!